Hey Abe,
Hi.
kamusta naman?
It's been a very overwhelming day today.
May gusto ko ba shoutout?
Yes, yung cellphone ni Rigunan.
Shoutout po sa cellphone ni Rigunan, hinahanap nila ngayon. Nahulog. Ayan.
Ay, mag-balance kayo ah!
Gago, mag-jologin?
Gago! Hindi nakakatawa, gago! Gago, nakikinig yung tuhod ko! Wala yung hawakan, gago! Nawala yung pagkapogi ko sa... Break time pa ata? Wala pa? Pero ganda ng view. Puta ka na, parang ako mahuhulog. Hi! Gagagigit natin putang sila! Nagagahay lang ako! Hi! Pasabit si Kuya!
Hi!
Ready ka na tumalon?
Ready na ako pumasok sa gubat.
Nakita mo ba gano'ng kalalim? Tatalonin?
Tatalonin? Okay.
Well played! Nice one!
Puta, buhay ako rin ah.
Dito kami sa
Yay! Mayor's Island!
Single nga pala ako. Single nga pala ako.
Okay, so
namin sa
partner
mga
for like
ebidensya na
4 years now.
Ba't mo pinigil?
Hi Samsi.
Hello.
So this person is NGSB.
No boy.
Never been touched, never been kissed.
Virgin ka pa?
Pero nakulap ko siya.
Hi!
Hi guys!
Ayun ay magjowa.
Hi!
Sino mga kaibigan ni Abe? Single nga pala ako.
Okay guys, this is single. He's preaching himself now. We just experienced cave diving. We also had banana boat riding and also hurricane riding. How was the experience? Can you tell me the experience? How was it? Were you able to enjoy the rides?
Yeah. So
Yeah.
much. I rate it a 10 out of 10. But with my friends, it's 100 out of 10.
Yes, and we're very thankful that. Are you guys thankful that when your Sundays?
This is my first second time seeing the ocean.
Oh, Guys, stand up. This person, he was able to see
A great experience and honor to be invited. I'm thankful that he invited us to the celebration.
yes.
Congrats, Neil.
Yes, congratulations, Neil. Okay, very, very thankful, and we would like to really thank Daniel Conde on giving us this opportunity to come here and experience our engineer, Daniel Conde, to experience this.
Peace out.
I see you.
Proud. Well, it was a great experience here. Actually, yeah. I'm glad that the friends of my boyfriend is here.
Yeah, proud
that
boyfriend.
That made this celebration a lot, exciting and memorable.
Yeah.
And I hope you enjoy the rest of your stay here.
Of course we did.
Okay.
It's really an overwhelming experience.
Yeah.
You know. This adventure is really my best so far this 2024.
Oh, that's
yeah.
great.
100 ako. Hindi 100 kaya to. Don't go too far. Don't go too close. My God, that's too close. My Porsche is opening. Magkaganong ka, tapos lalangoyin mo lang mula dito sa isla.
Solid pare, solid.
Nasa layan, sa di inakalang panahon, lumapit ng biglaan, para bang di nakataon. Ito nga ba'y tadhana, tangi kong hiling sa mga tala, mga pintig ng puso'y nakalaan para sa'yo. Following your footprints in the sand, walking with you on this island, guided by the grip of your hand, I can feel you holding my world. Ano ba itong nadarama? Oh shucks, ito ba'y